Hi, welcome to Data Appreciation with Shino, and we're going to look at the Google Skills Lab titled Exploring an E-commerce Dataset with SQL in BigQuery. This is Lab GSP 407, Google Cloud Self-Based Labs. First, we're going to start our lab. We have the objectives here: to access an e-commerce dataset, to look at the dataset metadata, to remove duplicate entries, and write execute queries. Let us open incognito. We agree to the terms. So next we'll go to BigQuery. We'll navigate there. We'll copy this to get our BigQuery public data sets to be displayed when we start it. So we'll go to BigQuery, come to explore, add data, start a project by name. We'll now go back. Here's our data to insights. Let's go back to instruction. Now we're going to explore the e-commerce records table data. All sessions raw. E-commerce, all sessions raw. In the right pane, a section opens that provides three views of the table. Select which are the schema, details tab, and preview. Click the details tab to view the table metadata. Next, this is the metadata. That's the data about the data we're looking at. Now, which tab? UI user interface tab will show us the data types. This is the schema tab, and it's not showing us our data types. How many rows are in the data set? If we look at our data set, in the preview, you can see we have over 21 million rows right here. Now, we want to identify duplicate rows. Seeing a sample amount of data may give you a greater intuition for what is included in the dataset, which we did in the preview tab. You can scan and scroll through the rows. There's no singular field that you can identify a row, so we need advanced logic to identify duplicate rows. We're going to copy and paste this to find which records are duplicated across the columns and answer this question: how many duplicates in all the sessions raw. We have 615. Let's check our progress. Now we're going to analyze all the new sessions table. We're going to run the query to confirm no duplicates exist this time in all the sessions table. So there's no data to be displayed. You can see the query returns no records. We'll write a query that shows total unique visitors. So if you have a website that's a commercial website, once any visitor comes to your website and lands just even on the hero homepage, that's counted as a visit. So I want to now know the total views by counting the product views and number of unique visitors. And it's going to be counted as product views. Let's run our query. We have 389,000 plus. So this is it. Next, we want to write a query that will show the total unique visitors by referring sites. So every site referring visitors to our merchandise site. So we want to see we have 8 unique visitors. So we have 8 rows of data, and these are our unique visitors. Now we're going to write a query to list all unique product names alphabetically. And we're going to list it under the field product name. So here it is. We have 633 results. So we asked which part of the previous query deduplicates the records, which is the group by. We asked how many distinct product names were returned in total. Counts, you can see the number here 633 unique. So in Google Analytics, the visitor can view a product during the following interaction type: page, screen view, event, transaction, social, exception, timing. For our purpose, we'll simply filter for the type page. That's visitor by visits a page. So our answer right here. So now we're going to refine the query to no longer double count product views for visitors who have viewed a product many times. Each distinct product view should only count once per visitor. Let us run it. So our results have come in. You can see YouTube custom decals had 200,000 results here, but when they're now distinct, it's now 121,000. Now we want to include the total number of distinct products ordered. So you can see the number here. The product with the most views got the most orders. So you can see from here 300,000 product views, orders 3,158. So this is product that's a Google Men's short sleeve got both product views. So the answer is true. What's the difference between orders and quantity product ordered? The order is the number of products, quantity product ordered is the number of items ordered. Now we're going to expand our query to include the average amount of product per capita per order. So let's have a look at this. So we can see our results. What product has the highest average per order? Let's just go and check. Highest YouTube custom decals, which is 11,000 for quantity product ordered. And let's go back to and so let's also look at the highest average per order. Is average per order. The highest average per order is the 22 Pause YouTube auto dispenser with 9.3. Next, the 22 Oz bottle infuser had the highest average per order with 9.38 units of order. Let's check our progress. So thank you for joining this lab. See you in the next one.